Hello guys, today I want to show you a new product I received. It's this product, okay? Like you can see, it says that it's a VanEnjoy full grain leather, and well, basically it's like a chain for a bag. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you. The first thing is that I like a lot the bag where it came. So I think that you can save it here if you want to use it and change it to another bag. And this is the product. I choose the black color, and what I like is that it has like texture, okay, like you can see there. And well, it's big, so I think it's perfect like to cross the bag. So I'm going to show you. Okay, let me find my bag. Okay, I have here my bag, and I'm going to put the chain. And well, what I like of this product, it's that, well, I already mentioned you that you can put it like in any bag. And I like that it has like it's a basic color, so you can change it and it will like look perfect with any color of your bag. And for example, this bag, I just have it with this strap, but sometimes I don't like to have it like this, or like this I can put it. So I think that having this one, it will look perfect. I can put it like this, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay guys, this is how it looks, the product. I like that it's like very big, and also you can adjust from here. You can do it like smaller. Okay, let me show you. And look, this is how it looks. And I like that the product, it's black, it's like a basic color, and it has like this strap or this part golden, and also this part came golden. And I think it's a very good material. Okay, and well, finally it looks like this. Let me move it more. Look, if you adjust it from here, it's better. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I like it too much. I hope you like it.